Abusia for mamu nyina achen esanso emamo akwaba edeba Virgin TV eso kase boy esasoso enne anope osemufo asono so projen ana ye ba betetinsre enne abasa ede amamo enne anope kase bono edoso de edimu akotini ebi ene se Omampanyi dada John Domani Mahamo no so ejire matu Frankadia ma NDC amanyokono enam na proboso ede atu edwese abato aye kwa kotu ekamye se Ghana mampanyi nana adodankwa akufado ede sikapudo bi ama eye security services for no se de beya wonmo ebeto abano ede amano wonsenfufro mu enso no mampanyi abedechi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia akasa achiremu eseni ti free SHS etimi aba oman Ghana emunetimi ejina brani nyina ene se Ghana mampanyi nana adodankwa akufado ya de se owo eni swade hu kase pa Sawa enso ana Ghana mampanyi nana adodankwa akufado enam na proboso de kopie mu ewo Western Region kwesimintim akasa achiremu esesa bato da na eduso a adesie nyina empia bontene enkonkoto abano eno adanso ne babeto dwese kopie mu ewo kantamanto eja kase bi ato eye GCB nkrabata ba kwa hono ama eniema de ahihye diribenu namso ama eye National Fire Service for wonmo ababontene je babeto edwese eja na ehye no nya de se bibia etimi ehye ewo biaye hono yebekwa kopie mu ewo amanoni ensemu enso na amanye bo ababeto yapno so enise Nigeria manu emu tututu bi atwiniti ewo hono menu namso akuafo bese aduanan miensa de wonmo afamahwe wonmo enkwan ya ensema fofo binim kawe mu ya osemfo asone so krojen se yemfa mekenkan mamu ene anope se Virgin anapa bremu no sia kase bo ya meje brakenkan kase boy ede ama media meje so a ene ma bena adobia yeda ye husima ye ba kase bo no chirum ede bebrem
Ghana kuafo atedende se wudu atosede ye bi ti se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odobanchifuo bode bayire ene mfude nyina kokofo yenyimu mfrim emme ene bibia mudua mo nsase so no First Village Group Limited aba abesomo ne nyina ne se eba seedlings aba pie didua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibia wonsa betima kan bi eno so danchen ya abefo kwan fa so dua ne yema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawa main station asem den se enye no ban woni manko a ekoba warranty boot machine se display koko e display ne manyina wonsa betimi aka bi eno so da ho a eba emowa ho so ayenya enro hodo de boma emowa enyini from ne nyina wonsa betimi aka bi wo ho obetimi afre opanyine kese e 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase
so emama kwa babiem edeba Virgin anopa no sia kase bono eso na ye hye kase bono asede a omampani dada ya ono so ejina matu Frankadia ma NDC amanyokona na maproboso ya odikopie mu ewo Tamale North na wokopie mu ohono na wabra one adehye binumu etwetwe nkomo no anode etu edwese abato ye kwakotu ekamye se Ghana mampani na adodankwa kufado atabisi kapupu die bi ede ama eye security services for no said beya wono betimi ato oba no ede ama Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa kufado eno ene nam so ama omampanyin dada John Dramani Mahama kasa ede afa ho esisi katwitwe dia omampanyin Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo etebiri ede ama security services said be obeto aba no ede ama no nya dia ebetimi ejina no naso de biara da.
I just learned from a group of police officers that they've paid monies into their accounts. All of them, all police officers. Because they know that they have destroyed the morale of the Ghana Police Service. Today, the Ghana Police Service don't have the confidence and courage that they used to have before, because he's infiltrated the police service with all kinds of thugs and hoodlums, invisible forces, Delta forces, who have no sense of discipline. Promotion in the service is based on your political color instead of your merit. And he thinks that he can buy our police officers with 1,000 Ghana cedis or 2,000 Ghana cedis just because an election is coming. They will take that money and they will vote against him. This government wanted to move our security forces from captivity to social security. And the police were not happy about it. The security services were not happy about it. And so he suspended it, waiting till after the election. NDC, in our manifesto, we said clearly that we are going to maintain the security forces on cap 30. He should have said the same thing in his manifesto, so that we know in black and white that it is not because of elections. He wants the elections to pass, and after it passes, he will shift them to the SNIT pension scheme. The police and the other security services are not happy about that, and so 2,000 or 1,000 or 3,000 will not buy their conscience.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Enrada Ede Akwakopiem Wakasa dia Chegana fo nyinada ese free SHS eba o man Ghana mu no ya de setimi ejina naso ye pa no kira nyenti etimi ejina naso ye ama sukufo nkwada timi enya so faso ama Ghana fo bibia timi enya so faso eni se Ghana mampanyina na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ya de se oye opanyina owo eni so de hu kase pa edema o man Ghana.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to remember as you go into this election that the NDC opposed and bastardized the free senior high school policy proposed by the President Nana Akufo-Addo. They said it was a hoax. They said it was a 419 promise. They said if they had 2 billion Ghana cedis, they would not spend it on free SHS. They said free SHS will collapse the education system. They went on demonstrations against free SHS. They even went to the Supreme Court to stop the implementation of free SHS. They ran over 40 adverts against free SHS. But the steady and visionary Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo he stuck to his guns because he knew what was good for this country. And he has successfully implemented free senior high school policy. But what do we hear today? Today, the NDC and their flag bearer is looking us straight in the eye and saying that they started free SHS. They say they started free SHS. Ewurade Nyankopɔn. Are they confused? Or do they think we have short memories? Thankfully, their predictions of doom for free SHS have not materialized. The recent results of the first batch of free SHS graduates has shown that quality has not been compromised.
Ebusia ye to akase bonu esuna Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado egusua ewo na probomu na aprobono de akopie mu ewo Western Region miche kwasi mintim na obra woni adehye bi ma wono ewo kwasi mintim etwetwe nkomo no ana wode eto adehye nyinada animu ese serade yadom na abato obre no eduru so a wono nyinada enhwe no piemra bonten enkonkoto aba no sanse so wo kira ebimu eyo omuse wawi ni dada anasa abato aye kwa akoto no Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado yade se watna akunya no so dada eno ana Ghana mampanyi na adodankwa akufu ado akasa edi afutusem akode ma adehye nyinada ese adaroma se December 7th no enya dusu pe obi bia empiem rabonten enkonkoto na aba
na me buy my baby titin sensembi sembi before say the bibi and friend skirt and blouse yeah best skirt and blouse bia wa ben before aba bejira kosi mensem constituency minister bedwansa Joe Mensa wonyina eta abranti echi ye nyina fa ba koye enta na chi no mbra no ba beboa ye wo ma se bedwamo Sesi aye kase ya onu mra se bedwam hokra oye adwuma kese wa banum emame to amunim se mwenye ni petition a oba beboa kwesi mensema na made se de atwato ochina no awotwe ochina juada ni na awotwe pepepe ene ekwa akoto aben mesramo obia watso ne di owo card mentrefie sa juada no binum beka se nana wa we ne de da je yanse meko wonto waba nana onwene ye wonto waba prince amanso so ewene ye iteme sramo mo bia fendi agro yembra nyembeto no bom no 2016 the besrano bom afedia mesrano bom
enu ada ne babetu jo se ejebi eyiniti ewo kantamanto ama enu nom so GCB ne nkrabata ba kwa no ewo kantamanto dwa so eja atomu ama enye asempetwa kra na eje yi sha se ya ana eye adumjafo wonum meche fire service wonum ekokopie mu ohonum na wabra okopie mu ohonum na panyipa oda wonum anu akasa achemu ese na ebimu ekekasa sika bi ahye ohonum ama enkrata bi so ahye ohonum anya sempetwa kra enom so ama panyin akasa achemu ese ejane de ahye de na mumpa enya de se dwapade bia atimi ahye ewo honum
Ghana commercial bank. Katamanto. Fire service wo. Ghana. Ghana.
Enwada na eye omampani dada John Dramani Mahama no so ejina motu Frankadiama NDC amanyukono na eye na woda mechani birthday na birthday no nko ani okopie mu ewo eye tamale eni adesha wonum ewo ayasabia honum eni wonum ekodi birthday nada etwitwa cake mu se de be ya no so betimi ede agineni na waji wona owo ayasabia honum so eni ede aka ho na senya birthday no kokoye no munye nkohwe bi emrasisi a
Sir, this time zon tenya la sand gahandele te former president John Dramani Mama o mama party na John te da shift na mama zon yo baby o da sal do ale o tsai kama o la dabsalo ma de tuya no kana ntaka barnama so me pila be ne do shel polo do zo ko kana no te lanke min ya di o zon dabsalo o do dabsalo do zo ko kana ma.
Thank you. We'll never forget him. London, oh Papa B. Nobody. Okay. Hold my hand. Okay. Ready? Shall we go? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Abusiafo ye gina we so ni ahome kasebo no eso ye ba e de kasebo no beko amanoni ensem emu ye ba sisia
Ghana kuafo ate dende se wudua to se de bi se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odobanchifuo bode bayire ene mfude nyina kokofo yenyimu mfrim emme ene bibia mudua mo sase so no First Village Group Limited aba abesomu ne nyina ne se eba seedlings aba pie didua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibibia wonsa betima kan bi eno so danchen ya abefo kwan fa so dua neyema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawa main station asam den se enye no ban woni manko a ekoba warranty boot machi se display koko e display neyema nyina wonsa betimi akan bi eno so da ho a eba emmowa ho so ayenya enro hodo de boma emmowa enyini from ne nyina wonsa betima kan bi wo ho obetimi afre open kese e 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase.
Biem ediba virgin anopa no sia kase bono esu na ye dan ni akopiemu ewo amanoni ensem emu arabu sema babuto dwa eni so kopiemu ewo Nigeria man no emu a ye akuafo bia wonmo ewo wonmo ekuemu anase wonmo fomu edi wonjuma ababuto dwa se nipa bonfo bi akwakoto ahye binum so amenam so enipa aduana miensa edie One afamu ahwe one enkwan ya se the video no ekokoye ye mmenhwe bi emmasisia.
The entire country is hurt by these senseless killings. My thoughts are with their families in this time of grief. May their souls rest in peace, said President Muhammadu Buhari. President Buhari also described the terrorist killings as insane, according to his spokesman Garbasha.
Wesu na ye na kase boy bobo no e de ba beso mo ene anopa virgin anopa no sia kase bo no ha ana merma kwan am ye duni nyina esi na aseda no enko enfama de kape ono ene ye editing ye bibia osanso gina camera no echi ye bibia kama e de ema ye ensi also de eye esai ono ene wo hono na menso so eboa ye bebi owo bia oboa ye ma bibia ekoyie kama Mia meji bre ekenka kaseboy edima media meji so a enima na adobia yemu na mo no hwe ne ti a adehye
Ghana kuafo ate dende se wudu atosede bi ti se mako entos nyadoa anasem kruma ebimpo a na odoba nchifuo bode bayire ene mfude nyina kokofo yenyimu mfrim emme ene bibia mudua mo nsase so no First Village Group Limited aba abesomu ne nyina ne se eba seedlings aba pa edidua cabbage onion carrot pepper bibia wonsa betima kan bi eno so danchen a abefo kwan fa so dua neyema na atim aso na from there furniture First Village Company Limited ye kira kwan ye wo nsawa main station asem den se enye no ban woni manko a ekoba warranty boot machine say spray cocoa e spray neyema nyina wonsa betimi aka bi eno so da ho a eba emmowa ho so ayenya enro wodo de bo ma emmowa enyini from ne nyina wonsa betima aka bi wo ho obetimi afre open kese e wo 0244 694631 0244 694631 First Village Group Limited Ghana kuafo damase